In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Mailchimp, a crucial skill whether you're using their new builder or the legacy builder. Let's dive right in, starting with the new builder, which is the recommended option for its user-friendly interface and enhanced flexibility. First, you'll be accessing the Layouts tab. When you're in the campaign editor, which is essentially your workspace for creating and refining your email campaigns, look for the Layouts tab. It's usually positioned on the editing menu and acts as your gateway to structuring the email. The Layouts tab is where you will begin setting up the foundation of your email by choosing the appropriate arrangement of content. Once you're there, next comes adding a layout. The beauty of the new builder lies in its collection of pre-built layouts, which offers a quick and efficient way to select a structure with the number of columns you want right off the bat. If you're looking for something specific, like a 3-column spread, you can pick it straight from the options available. But if you prefer to start from scratch, you can always go with the 1-1 layout. This will give you a single column section, which you can then modify into multiple columns as your design requires. Now that you have a layout in place, it's time to customize. Customizing involves clicking on the layout to begin editing its content. This is where your creativity can flourish. Mailchimp's new builder allows you to drag and drop various content blocks, such as text, images, and buttons, into each column, tailoring the layout to precisely fit your needs and message. This drag and drop functionality is intuitive and saves a lot of time, giving you the freedom to experiment and rearrange until everything looks just right. If at any point you find that the number of columns doesn't fit your vision, you can easily adjust it. To tweak the number of columns, simply click on the layout you've selected. There will be a columns setting which grants you the power to add or remove columns as you see fit. This flexibility ensures that you can seamlessly alter the structure without having to start over, allowing you to maintain a smooth workflow. By following these steps, you can effectively use Mailchimp's new builder to its full potential, crafting visually engaging and well-organized emails. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on making the most out of your Mailchimp experience.